Dear wifey ko, dati pa-hi ma'am lang ako sa'yo sa chat. Pasinsin ka lang sa akin at may pa-hard to get ka pang nalalaman. Ngayon, asawa na kita, Mrs. De Guzman ka na. Wala ka nang kawala.
I, Ruby Chris Cruz, thank you, Mark Bonzi Guzman, to be my husband and my partner in life and my true one love.
And that dress is red as all the roses. I can keep my eyes off you.
Patrolman Mark Bon de Guzman, pinag-uutos ko na magustuhan at isuot mo tuwing hindi kita kasama. Kinumplito ko na yan para iwan chicks. Ha ha. Siyempre, joke lang. I love you, habi ko.
Choose you over and over. I want it just this way. I'll be yours till the end of time. In every other life, I'll be yours.
Asahan mo kung sino man ako o ano man ako nakikilala mo, hindi ako magbabago at ipaglalaban kita hanggang sa huling hininga ko. I love you so much. You are my one and only wifey ko.
I'll be yours.
This is my gift for you kasi alam ko na kaya mong i-handle yung lahat ng finances natin.
But you
Symbolize wherever you go, maalala mo ako. That's why this is my gift for you. I love you so much, wifey ko.
Ang kasal, dahil tayo ay makasalanan, ay ginawa ng Diyos na instrumento upang ibalik, upang maging mekaniko sa mundo ng mga bagay-bagay na pinaghihiwalay ng tao.
You're the chance I take. I choose you over and over. I want it just this way. I'll be yours till the end of time. In every other life, I'll be yours. I'll be yours.
Pinagtagpo man tayo ng pandemya, ikinasal man tayo sa panahon ng pa rin ng pandemya. Ipinapangako ko na mamahalin pa rin kita anumang dumating pagsubok sa ating buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Mark Bonzi Guzman, Mr. Ko.
I'll be yours to the end of time. In every other